I am so excited for today's video. I get to share with you all of the brand new products that have hit our website at sewyours.com, and we've got a lot for you. I think this is our biggest release to date, so we're going to quickly go over all of the brand new items. I'm going to do some voiceovers and close-up shots so you get a good look of all the new releases. 14 water-resistant canvases, 11 new printed vinyls, 18 exclusive quilting cottons, 3 new Moda Grunge colors, 3 new cotton batiks from Riley Blake, as well as 3 100% rayon batik prints from Riley Blake, 4 new designs of our number 5 nylon zipper pulls, and lastly, we have several new notions for you. First up, I wanted to introduce you to a brand new product line. This is our printed water-resistant canvases. This has a 600 density. It is a polyester canvas with a polyurethane coating on it to make it water-resistant. It's not waterproof, but it does shed water beautifully. If you look at the product photos, you can see how the water just beads up and then it rolls right off. The rolls measure 18 inches by 58 inches. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at each of the 14 designs.
Paisley Paradise, Tutti Frutti Tartan, Garden Party, Bloom Boom, Colorful Chaos, Poppy Fields, Pastel Meadows, Prism Pop, Western Waves, Prickly Petals, and Desert Echo are our Southwest-inspired prints. Amber Bloom, Liberty Garden, and Wildflower Waltz.
Up next, we brought in 11 brand new printed vinyls. This is an 18-inch by 53-inch roll of pebble texture vinyl.
Sunlit Garden, Gilded Petals, Spring Whirl. Hive and Seek, Bumble Bliss, and check out these adorable bumblebee zipper pulls that are going to be perfect for these 2 bee-themed vinyls. Lily Mirage, Mulberry Rose, Broken Horizon, Sepia Garden, Whispers of Spring, and Spring Meadow.
We've also restocked some of our best-selling printed vinyls. Moving on to quilting cottons, we've got 24 new prints for you, 18 of those being exclusive to Sew Yours. One of these prints I am particularly proud of as I designed it myself, just like I did our Girly Glam printed vinyl, which is one of our best-selling vinyls. So this one is a sewing themed fabric. So we've got sewing machines, we've got thread, scissors, needles, an iron. They're arranged in a non-directional print. We've got a pink background on it. And the reason that I designed this was I looked for a sewing themed fabric that I liked, and I just did not find any that were aesthetically pleasing to me, so I decided to come up with my own. So just like with our water resistant canvases, I brought in lots of fun colors for your spring and your summer bags. So lots of hot pinks and lime greens. So I think you're going to love our brand new quilting cottons.
For our cottons, we have Bloom Boom, Paisley Paradise, Prism Pop, Tutti Frutti Tartan, Garden Party, and Pastel Meadows, all of which are also available in the canvas.
We've also restocked 2 of our best-selling exclusive quilting cottons, our navy and gold watercolor foliage, and our cottage flowers on white. In addition, I brought in Dusky Dreams in our quilting cotton. This is one of our best-selling printed vinyls, so I thought we'd bring it in the cotton for you as well. We've also added a bunch of colors to our distressed cotton line, which is exclusive to Sew Yours. Our distressed cottons make excellent blenders for your quilts, as well as perfect bag linings.
We also added a few colors to the Moda Grunge line. Three brand new Riley Blake cotton batiks, in addition to 3 Riley Blake batiks that are 100% rayon. These are going to make beautiful dresses and robes. They drape so beautifully.
We also restocked our water-resistant fabrics in the best-selling colors.
Our brand new number 5 zipper pulls. We've got our large flowers, large rings, small rings, and our stars. Our multifunctional hem guide allows you to achieve straight stitching, whether you're sewing a straight line or going around curves. Here is a quick demo. 1/8 of an inch double-sided tape available in 55-yard spools. We already have 1/4 of an inch and 5/16 as well. This one was recommended by one of our local customers, the Bowen Extra Fine Line Mechanical Chalk Pencil. Perfect for your darker fabrics. I absolutely love this pencil. We sell the pencil with additional leads, and when you need a refill, we also sell the refills now as well.
I wanted to thank everyone for purchasing your 2025 Bag Makers Calendar. It was a huge success this year. This is our first year doing it. Now, this is a last call. If you did not get your copy of the calendar, please do so now. As of January 31st, 2025, this will no longer be available. We'll be retiring this calendar, and next year I'll be designing a brand new one. If you're local to our Dunellen store, we have 2 left in the large size that I have right here. Once these are sold out, we will not be reordering anymore, but you can still get yours made to order online by going to our website at sewyours.com up and until January 31st. Thank you all for watching. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can start shopping all the brand new items, or you can visit our website at sewyours.com. Happy sewing!